decoding skill, you learned that if there is one guardian consonant after a vowel in a word with 2 syllables, the consonant must go on to the next syllable, or one must run. In this lesson, you will learn about the second decoding skill. If a word follows decoding skill 1, how many consonants follow the first vowel? 1. One consonant, one blend, or one digraph. Once we've identified that we have one consonant, blend, or digraph, what happens? It must run to the next part of the word. Decoding skill 2 follows a different pattern. I will use this word to demonstrate decoding skill 2. Working under the word, first I will mark the vowels. Next I return to the first working vowel just like I did with decoding skill 1. Now I will look to see how many consonants immediately follow the vowel A in this word. There are 2 consonants that follow A. They are M and P. Are these consonants a blend? No, they are not. Decoding skill 2 says, when a vowel is followed by 2 consonants, the consonants split. The first consonant stays with the first syllable of the word, and the second consonant moves to the next syllable. In this word, the first consonant M will stay with the vowel A. The letters C-A-M make the first syllable. The second consonant P will move to the next syllable to form a syllable with the vowel U. Now I will use the 5 phonetic skills to prove each syllable. In the first syllable, will this vowel be short or long? Short, because it only has one guardian consonant. In words that have more than one syllable, we will no longer mark the guardian with a guardian star. We will just think about the guardian in our heads. Let's say this first syllable together. Cam. Because there is one more working vowel, there is one more syllable. Will the vowel in this syllable be long or short? Short. Again, because it is followed by one guardian consonant. Remember, we no longer mark the guardian with a star. Instead, we will just think about it in our head. Let's say this whole word together. Campus. A campus is the grounds of a school, hospital, or university. Students at our Canyon Elementary School cannot go off campus for lunch. To remember decoding skill 2, remember the phrase, 2 will split. For decoding skill 1, the rule is 1 must run. Let's prove this word together. Working beneath the word, the first thing that I'm going to mark is my E. Next, I'm going to mark my PL blend. Then I'm going to mark the vowel A and I. Now we're going to return to the first working vowel. How many consonants immediately follow this vowel? 3. There is one consonant, which is our X, and the PL blend. Blends are treated as one consonant when we are decoding a word. So where should we divide this syllable? We are going to divide it in between the X and the PL blend. So which letters then make up the first syllable? The E and the X. Will the vowel in the syllable be long or short? It'll be short because it is followed by one guardian consonant. Am I going to mark my guardian consonant with a star? Not this time. We are just going to think about it in our heads. Pronounce this syllable with me. X. Let's move on to the next syllable. Will the vowel sound in this syllable be long or short? It'll be long because I have adjacent vowels. Pronounce this syllable with me. Plain. Say this word with me. Explain. I can explain decoding skill 2 to my friend. Like words that follow decoding skill 1, words that follow decoding skill 2 can also use the letter Y as a working vowel in either syllable. Let's prove a couple of words together so I can show you how it works. First, I will mark the vowels, blends, and digraphs under the word. What is the first vowel in this word? It's the Y. We know that the Y is a vowel in this word because it is not the first letter of the word. Next, I will mark the vowel A, and then I will mark my ST blend. Now let's return to the first vowel. Where are we going to divide our syllables? We are going to divide them between the M and the N because we have 2 consonants and decoding skill 2 tells us 2 will split. Is this Y a working vowel? Yes, it is, because it is not a silent adjacent vowel. Does it have another working vowel before it? No, it does not. So it will borrow the sound of